Well, good morning, everyone. So today we are going to discuss about contextual clues. Do you have any idea what you mean by context clues? Before we start with our lesson, let us do this activity number 1. Direction. Each given sentence contains an underlined word which is probably new to you. Guess the meaning of these words. Choose the letter of the correct answer and write it on your notebook. Number 1. Governments in some parts of the world set their focus on the doldrums of environmental degradation instead of the threats of the present pandemic. Doldrums means A. Delight, B. Despair, C. Joy, D. Trust. Number 2. Our family always have a fleeting idea of going to Siargao Island, but we know it will take some time given the present health crisis. What do you mean by the word fleeting? A. Constant, B. Endless, C. Long, D. Sudden. Number 3. An oracle is said to have the ability to foresee the future. What do you mean by the word oracle? A. Diviner, B. Fortune teller, C. Priest, D. Sudden. Number 4. People who are despicable should not be avoided. Instead, they should be loved. What do you mean by the word despicable? A. Good, B. Kind, C. Mean, D. Nice. Number 5. I grew up learning to assert my rights and not to be cowed by others people's intimidation. What do you mean by the word cowed? A. Comforted, B. Helped, C. Pleased, D. Scared. Okay, based on the activity that we have done earlier, how do you find the drill? Do you find it difficult? Do you find it easy? Or do you find it average? Did you get the correct answer? Or do you get the correct meaning of the word? And what words or phrases in the sentences help you know the meaning of word? And how do you call these words and phrases? Okay, another activity that we have here is we're going to read it out aloud. Read the poem carefully and then answer the question that followed. It was entitled Context Clues by Maravel Azote Cabalan, Boko. Let us read this poem all together. Tick tock, I am stuck. How can I unlock? How can I unlock? When unfamiliar words and the ones that block. Strategize, vocabulary wise. Familiarize the words that arise. Hints here, signals there, clues are everywhere. Categorize, conceptualize, and then contextualize. Context clues are the ones that guide. Now, question. What can you say about the poem? Do you find difficult in understanding the poem? Now, for activity number 2, you're going to list down the words in the poem that that are new to you. Can you please list at least 5 on your notebook? Okay, now let us study the following sentences below. Take note of the underlined words. Can you give their meanings? As a writer, Dr. Jose Rizal used several pseudonyms so as not to reveal his identity. So what do you mean by the words pseudonyms? Okay, the correct answer is pen names. Okay. Number two, we should always be prudent in what we say as not to hurt the feelings of others. What do you mean by the word prudent? Yes, correct. That means to be careful. So context clues are so we are going to discuss about context clues. So what do you mean by the word context clues? Now let us take this meaning of context clues. Context clues are important words or phrases in a sentence that help in identifying the meaning of difficult words or items in a sentence. And context clues also refers to the parts of piece of writing that preceded or follow a word and contributes to its whole meaning. Context clues are words that appear in a sentences to help understand the meanings of difficult words. So we have different kinds of context clues. The first one is we call it by definition. The unfamiliar word is defined in a sentence. So here is an example. An archaeologist is a person who searches for treasures from sunken ships and ancient tombs to obtain valuable relics, artifacts, and relics such as the Balanghay boat. So if you were going to study, so archaeologist is a person who searches for treasure. So that means the definition. Here are another examples. Hoy, galunggong kayo, 50 lang. His emaciation, that is to his skeleton-like appearance, was frightening. So emaciation, the meaning is skeleton-like appearance. Another example, fluoroscopy, examination with fluoroscope, has become a common practice. So fluoroscopy means examination with fluoroscope. Okay, that is the definition. The second one is we called it synonym. So when say synonym, a similar word is placed in the same sentence to know the meaning of the unfamiliar word. So like for example, it is common for Filipinos to feel compassion or pity for suffering of their fellow men. So compassion, what do you mean? What word here is synonymous or synonyms for compassion? So we have pity. Another example. Can you please read it for me? So here are example of synonyms. Anger, enraged, angry, wrathful, answer, reply, ask, question, awful, dreadful, bad, depraved, beautiful, gorgeous, begin, start, big, enormous, brave, courageous, break, fracture, bright, sparkling. Another examples. Another examples of synonymous words. The third one is by antonym. So when you say antonym, an opposite word is placed in a sentence for you to understand the meaning of the unfamiliar word easier. Example, among the siblings of thin body structure, Isabel is the only one who is portly. So portly, so the opposite of portly here is thin. So meaning, portly means someone who is healthy, someone is chubby, right? When the light brightens, the pupils of the eyes contract. However, when it grows darker, they dilate. So the opposite is contract. Here are example of some synonymous words or synonyms. Number 4 is comparison. Similar words with the same meaning of the unfamiliar word is placed an object to compared. The stench of the garbage was like the smell of the rotten fish. So comparison. The other one is by means of examples. So example, in ancient times, some of the forefathers believed in amulets, such as pearl or the crocodile, pearl of the ox, bullet necklace, and bags of herbs to protect them from harm. So example of amulets are such as pearl of crocodile, pearl of the ox, bullet of necklace. Celestial bodies. So examples of celestial bodies are the moon, the sun, and the stars. Number 6 is by means of explanation. A description is given to understand the meaning of the unfamiliar word. Example, Matthew had few infractions of the house rules that he should have done as part of his responsibility. So house rules that you should have done means infrastructure. Another example, you have to do the following activities after this lesson. This one also. And this one, activity number 2, web it. Give types of context clues that are used them in sentences. Think of me. Assessment number 2. Filipinos are known for being strong and in facing challenges. They don't simply give up. Write a paragraph about how you face your greatest challenges using one or more type of context clues. And then activity 3, read on. Read the sentence selection below and take note of the culture being presented. Assessment number 3, just a thought.